Hi, I'm Melissa and I'm a designer here at Queensberry. Like our galleries in Workspace, you can share an album design with your clients so they can review, request changes, and approve the design before placing the order. So the Albums widget would be used so clients can view and share their album designs. So this is what it would look like on your website. The widget displays each album in a thumbnail view, which opens to that particular album. So if we click on one now, it opens up to this beautiful login page. This login page only shows if it's private or semi-private. If it's public, it just goes straight to the slideshow. So in Workspace, I'm on the Albums page. If we scroll down to the Page Designer, you can see we've got Section 1 with the Albums widget. I'm just going to delete that so we can create a new widget. We want to click the plus button to go to the Widgets menu and Albums. Here we've just got a simple drop down menu where you can select Display All Active Albums, like on the Albums page I showed you previously, or you can choose just one album to display. This might be good if you wanted to showcase a particular album design on your website so viewers can see it online. So I'm just going to save that and we'll just preview that. Great, and that's it here. It really is that simple. So that sums up the album widget. Thanks for watching. Bye.